Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Mobile Legends error when it fails to switch account. So let's get started right away. If you already have the Mobile Legends game on your device and you have a working account that you can sign into, then simply go ahead and open up the game. Now wait for a while until the game is fully loaded, and then when it is done, you will be asked to create a new character. You can either proceed with creating your character, or if you already have one, you can tap on Switch Account in order to switch your account. If you tap on this, you will be able to log in using your various social media as well as Google Play and Moontune account. Now if you try to tap on any of these options but the game crashes or you are not able to switch your account, then there is a quite simple fix to this problem. Just go ahead and open up your phone settings and then tap on Apps. From the Apps menu, simply scroll down and search for Mobile Legends. Once you find it, simply tap on it and then scroll down and tap on Force Stop at the bottom right corner. Then tap on OK to stop the application and then just tap on the storage option. From the storage page, you will find Clear Data as well as Clear Cache. First tap on Clear Cache and this will clear the cache of the Mobile Legends application. Go back to the application and see if this works. Otherwise, you will need to come back and then tap on Clear Data and then the delete button to delete all of your Mobile Legends user data. After you have done this, go back and open up the Mobile Legends game, and now your game should be working just fine. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix fail to switch accounts error on the Mobile Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.